In this video, I'm going to show you how to star images in Adobe Bridge. So the first thing you have to do is just select the image you want to star, and then you want to hold down your Control key on your keyboard, and then you want to press 1 with it, or 2, 3, 4, or 5, okay? Now if you go to 6 over here, as you can see, it's going to just basically start giving them different colors over here, up to where you can go to 0, but if you do just Control 1, 2, 3, 4, or 5, then as you can see, you will give them basically the stars that you've set. So for example, here I'm gonna go to this one, click Control 2, I've given 2 stars, Control 3, I've given 3, and then so on and so forth. So you could do this, and then you can also color code them by, of course, holding down your Control key, and then use the 6, 7, 8, 9, and 0. Okay, so that way you can successfully color code as well as add your stars onto your images and sort them that way. So that's really useful if you're trying to basically filter out, cull, or do whatever you want with the images. And yeah, that's how we do it. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.